There are issues which we have discussed on tackling the assembly, for harming assembly. Then about certain other issues which we have discussed, which I think our leader of opposition will give you a briefing on all the topics. Of course, we have also congratulated Priyanka Gandhi for her success, condolence for Dr. Manmohan Singh, and other organizational matters which we had. As CLP, which we had to look at, we also attended to those matters.
But any talks, especially on what are the on issues pertaining to the state of Goa? Because
Of
in the
course,
last
we
few days,
decided to enlist each of these camps which today Goa is facing and bringing bad name, and which the government is on the mat, that we are working out the strategy on how to take it up even in a one-day assembly.
but in Congress, we can't see Congress with this issue in the last few days.
I was not well, you can see I'm still not well, but we are still taking up the issues, and I do hope that we will take it up with greater strength. I have more things which we have up in our bag which we will bring it out, and as the assembly is coming closer, we will expose more and more of the games which they are playing, and especially involving corruption.
सर सध्या एक विषय असता तो भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचो वेगवेगळे स्टेटमेंट ये दिसता भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरांचे तुम्ही कशे पळयता
Maka Bharat he had been at the NGP, he was our first chief minister of Goa, and we have high regard and respect for him. And I don't think that we need to bring anybody to be compared. Dr. Jagsi Kera on the other side was leader of the father of the opinion poll who has his own stature, and each leader has his own stature. And I think that I don't want to wade into that controversy of trying to bring somebody. I give you an example. If I want to bring up somebody, I would like someone to be better than me. I would not want someone to be just like me. So
Thank you.
I think that would.
तुम्ही युनायटेड असतले फॉर असेंब्ली
As far as Congress legislative party, they are all united. As far as the rest of the opposition, we will be having a meeting and we will see who's with us, who's not.
No, but this as far as opposition, as far as Congress, but opposition altogether, no? We are trying to ask you about that.
To my view, I think we are united because the issues which we are, maybe each one may be tackling in a different manner, but I think we are all united on the same page.